The battlefield has always been shaped by artillery power, and among the most advanced towed artillery systems in modern military service is the M777 Howitzer. Known for its incredible firepower, precision, and mobility, the M777 has become a critical weapon for modern armies, especially the United States and its allies. Designed to deliver devastating long-range fire support while remaining light enough to be transported quickly, the M777 represents a major leap forward in artillery technology. The story of the M777 begins with the need for a lighter and more deployable artillery system. Traditional artillery guns were extremely heavy and difficult to move quickly across different terrains. Military planners wanted a weapon that could deliver the same powerful firepower but could also be transported easily by helicopters or aircraft. To meet this need, defense engineers developed the M777 using advanced materials and modern engineering techniques. One of the most remarkable features of the M777 Howitzer is its lightweight design. Unlike older artillery systems that were built mainly from steel, the M777 uses a significant amount of titanium in its construction. Titanium is both strong and lightweight, which allowed engineers to reduce the weight of the gun dramatically without sacrificing durability. As a result, the M777 weighs roughly half as much as many older 155mm artillery systems, making it much easier to deploy in remote or difficult environments. Mobility is one of the key strengths of the M777. The howitzer can be towed by military vehicles across rough terrain, but more importantly, it can be lifted and transported by helicopters such as the CH-47 Chinook or the MV-22 Osprey. This capability allows forces to move artillery support quickly to areas where it is urgently needed. In mountainous regions, remote bases, or fast-moving combat situations, this mobility can make a huge difference. The M777 fires 155mm artillery shells, which are capable of striking targets at very long distances. Depending on the type of ammunition used, the howitzer can hit targets more than 30 kilometers away. With advanced rocket-assisted projectiles and precision-guided munitions, the range can extend even further. This allows artillery crews to engage enemy positions while staying safely far from the front lines. Another major advantage of the M777 is its precision. Modern versions of the howitzer, especially the M777A2 variant, are equipped with digital fire control systems. These systems allow crews to quickly calculate firing data, adjust aim, and coordinate with reconnaissance units or drones. Instead of relying only on manual calculations, artillery teams can now use digital systems to improve accuracy and reduce response time. One of the most advanced types of ammunition used with the M777 is the GPS-guided Excalibur artillery shell. This precision munition can strike targets with incredible accuracy, often within just a few meters of the intended location. This means that artillery units can destroy enemy positions while minimizing damage to surrounding areas. Precision artillery has become extremely important in modern warfare, where accuracy and controlled firepower are essential. Operating the M777 requires a well-trained artillery crew. Typically, a team of soldiers works together to position the gun, load the shells, aim the weapon, and fire. Each member of the crew has a specific role, and coordination between them is critical for safe and effective operation. When the command to fire is given, the crew loads a 155mm shell into the breech, prepares the propellant charge, and locks the mechanism before firing. When the M777 fires, the result is a powerful blast that sends the artillery shell flying toward its target at extremely high speed. The recoil system absorbs the force of the shot and stabilizes the weapon so that it can fire again quickly. Artillery units can fire multiple rounds in rapid succession, creating a powerful barrage that can suppress enemy forces or destroy fortified positions. The M777 has proven its effectiveness in multiple military operations around the world. It has been widely used by the United States Marine Corps in the U.S. Army in combat zones such as Afghanistan and Iraq. In these environments, the ability to deploy artillery quickly in mountainous or remote areas was especially valuable. Helicopter transport allowed units to position the M777 in places that would have been nearly impossible for heavier artillery systems. Another important feature of the M777 is its compatibility with modern battlefield technology. The howitzer can work together with surveillance drones, forward observers, and advanced targeting systems. When reconnaissance units detect an enemy position, they can relay coordinates to artillery teams, which then use digital systems to quickly aim and fire. This integration allows artillery units to respond rapidly to threats and support ground forces effectively. Maintenance and reliability are also critical aspects of the M777's design. Even though the system uses advanced materials like titanium, it is built to operate in harsh conditions such as deserts, mountains, and extreme weather environments. Military crews regularly inspect and maintain the howitzer to ensure it remains ready for action. Proper maintenance ensures that the weapon performs reliably during critical missions. The M777 Howitzer has also been adopted by several allied countries around the world. Nations including Canada, Australia, and India have incorporated the system into their artillery forces. These countries value the M777 for its combination of mobility, firepower, and precision. In regions with difficult terrain, such as mountainous areas, the lightweight design makes the system particularly effective. India, for example, has deployed the M777 in high-altitude regions where transporting heavy artillery is extremely challenging. Helicopter mobility allows artillery units to position the weapon in strategic locations along mountainous borders. This demonstrates how the M777's design enables it to operate effectively in environments where traditional artillery might struggle. The role of artillery on the battlefield continues to evolve as technology advances. Modern armies rely on a combination of precision weapons, drones, surveillance systems, and artillery to achieve battlefield superiority. The M777 fits perfectly into this modern warfare concept by combining traditional artillery power with advanced targeting technology. Despite the development of rocket systems and missile technology, artillery like the M777 remains incredibly important. Artillery shells are far less expensive than many guided missiles, which means armies can deliver sustained fire support without exhausting costly resources. In large-scale conflicts, the ability to maintain continuous artillery fire can have a major impact on the outcome of battles. Another reason the M777 remains valuable is its flexibility. It can fire a wide range of ammunition types, including high-explosive shells, smoke rounds, illumination rounds, and precision-guided munitions. This versatility allows commanders to use artillery in many different tactical situations, whether supporting infantry units, marking targets, or disrupting enemy movements. In modern warfare, speed and adaptability are essential. The M777's lightweight structure, helicopter transport capability, digital fire control system, and precision ammunition make it one of the most advanced towed artillery systems ever developed. These features allow military forces to deploy powerful artillery support rapidly and accurately wherever it is needed. The future of artillery will likely include even more advanced technologies, such as improved precision munitions, automated targeting systems, and integration with artificial intelligence-based battlefield networks. However, the M777 already represents a major milestone in artillery evolution and continues to serve as a powerful and reliable weapon for many armed forces. From remote mountain battlefields to fast-moving military operations, the M777 Howitzer has proven that modern artillery can combine mobility, precision, and destructive power in a single platform. It stands as a powerful example of how military technology continues to evolve to meet the challenges of modern warfare, ensuring that artillery remains a dominant force on the battlefield for years to come.